Good morning. Welcome to SP Global Solutions. Today we are going to learn about convincing skills. What do you mean by convincing skills? Convincing skills means the using our communication, how we are able to convince someone. Like if I want to do something, or if I'll provide an order to someone, I have to convince them to do that work. How will convince them? Let's take an example of this convincing skills. Like there are some sectors where we are selling credit cards and we are buying credit cards from them. Like if a person already have two or three credit cards, they also want more. Like we can add like five, six credit cards we can have. We are having like this. If I want another credit card, there are some calls we are getting to buy credit cards. The example is if your manager have handled you to sell 15 credit cards in a month, how you will sell? First of all, through your communication skills, through your convincing skills, you will be able to sell those credit cards. Like if I'll call them, like I'll call the candidates, uh, I'll call those people who will buy those credit cards. Like we are selling this credit cards, and if you will buy this credit cards, you will get 50% off in your nearest store. If that person like think I want to buy a credit card, and previously I was thinking to buy a AC. If I'll buy a AC, then directly it will cost me 50,000. And now if I'll use that credit card to buy that AC, then what will happen?